Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can enable mistake feedbacks from chess.com for your chess matches, for example, given to you by a computer coach. So let us guide you through it. So navigate to chess.com and let's assume you're just learning how to play chess. You're learning the basics and you're still making mistakes in your chess matches, and now you would like to receive feedback, for example, on mistakes, on moves you make, for example, that may lead to mistakes and to a defeat in a chess match. To learn from these guys, so let me show you how to enable these feedback mistake feedback that way. Navigate to your account settings in the bottom left, select all settings, and there inside your account settings navigate to coach. Here you may select a custom coach, computer coach, like with an avatar and even with a voice. Here under general settings you may, for example, enable motivational messages, reminders and a voice. And further down below you will see that feature, show mistake feedback, to give the coach the opportunity to help you explain mistakes you make, just like I explained. So that's basically it. You can do the same for advices or hints in the chat. For example, if you're playing a match against the computer, you may, for example, ask for a hint by clicking into this lamp icon here in the bottom right corner to ask the computer, for example, what might be the next move here from your pieces. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.